Hello everyone, this is Nasrin. Welcome to my today's video. Today I'm going to share with you guys one of my serum. This is Snail Bee Ultimate Serum. This is one of nourishing, hydrating serum for face. This serum make skin plump, youth and healthy looking skin. This really like whoever like dry skin, this is good for them. I have dry skin, so this is good for me. Whenever I put this on my face, then my face stay like oily and moisturized. So this is the serum. This is made with snail mucin, and this really help to eliminate acne. This made from Korea. I love this serum because whenever I put on my face, it's really keep my face oily, moisturized and hydrating. So that's I most like about this serum. It made with snail mucin, and I love the texture of this serum. After I use this serum, my skin stay like plump and is very soothing. I like this serum because it prevents for acne, so that's I need, because I always get like pimple on my face, so I always look for like good serum or good moisturizer. So this is one of good serum. I love it. I will definitely recommend everyone to use this serum for your face. If you like today's video, please give a thumbs up, and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.